Islamorada City, Florida. We're like right on the tip of Florida. We're like 1 minute from the road that takes you all the way down to Key West. But we are about to go to the beach. It has been really nice here. We're at a really nice campground. A lot of nice people here, mainly a lot of like snowbirds escaping the cold.
So many people from Michigan.
A lot of people from Michigan, Ontario.
Ontario.
Seen a lot of Ontario people here. But our campsite's been really nice. I'll show you guys. The weather's been perfect. Basically high 70s, low 80s. So this is our campsite. See the pretty flag blowing across the way. We have our little dilapidated picnic table here. Nice palm tree. But yeah, it's been really nice. And then there's an area for Noah to park his truck like right beside it, so that's cool.
Homie's on the little floating raft right there.
What is that?
Okay. It's literally like
a floating house?
Yeah, it's like a little pontoon barge with like some kind of shack on it.
Oh, I think you can pay to go on those. Like they'll take you out and you just chill out there.
You got a kegerator out there. Alright. Keep on heading down straight south.
We're at Family Dollar to try to find a mask because Noah's a child.
I want to go snorkeling.
He wants to go. Well, the water is really clear, so hopefully we find a cheap mask in this Family Dollar. Noah got excited. He thought he found some, but child, this wouldn't even fit you.
Well, what if I gotta...
You didn't see any anywhere else?
Nope.
What the? This just caught my eye. What the hell? No goggles in there for Noah. He's sad. But it's okay. We'll still have fun. Nice. Our little cove looks very empty. Oh yeah, I forgot to update. He found one. At a CVS, he found a snorkel and a mask. So thank goodness.
But we didn't buy it.
Oh wait, yeah, we didn't buy the snorkel one.
Too much.
No, yeah, it's like ridiculously priced, so we just got the mask. But still, you'll be able to see down there really cool. And we like to put our chairs up between these 3 palm trees. We love this part. Last time it was so much more busy.
Already by this time, yeah.
Yeah. So maybe it'll be a quiet day out here. But the water is just crystal clear. I love how you can see the shadows of the palm trees. But yeah, this is our little lagoon. Hopefully we see some cool wildlife in here. The other day we saw, it's already got them on. We saw some horseshoe crabs. We saw fish. We saw some regular crabs. Very peaceful out here. I got pretty burnt 2 days ago, so trying to stay covered up and lathered up with sunscreen.
Keep them sunbeams off.
So hopefully I don't get burnt more today. Our beach day has come to an end. But
Unfortunately.
the good news is we are going to a pizza place for dinner that's on the way home that Dave Portnoy was at yesterday. Yeah, Dave Portnoy is in the Keys right now, and so are we. So we're gonna, he rated it pretty good. It's like a Detroit style place. Well, Detroit inspired, right? Is that what he said? So we're gonna give it a go because, you know, Noah's from Detroit and we love a Detroit style pizza. So we're gonna go see him and see what they thought about Dave Portnoy. So this is the place that Dave Portnoy was just at. Apparently he was here last Saturday, but the video went out yesterday. But yeah, this is it, crust. We just ordered a vodka pizza and a piece of key lime pie, so I'm excited to see what it's like.
Jeez.
It looks so good.
Oh, really good, yeah. Very good.
10 out of 10. I've already kind of devoured mine.
Cool.
We got the vodka. I forgot to mention that. Oh my god. Oh, and we got this key lime pie to try too. We're in the Keys. You have to get a key lime pie. But absolute 10 out of 10. Very fresh. Very good. We're back home with the twins.
For tuners.
I missed you guys. Binky. Oh.
Pinky don't care about missing you. He wants dinner.
I know, they know we're late to give them their dinner. Alfie, you want some dinner? Want some dinner time?
Come on, baby, get the dry food.
Sorry, the lighting's probably horrible, but our RV park has a tiki bar, which is so cool. I've never seen an RV park with its own tiki bar, so we're gonna go check it out.
Yep, hopefully it's fun.
And not weird.
Yeah.